Hey designers, let's create this image text manipulation in Photoshop. Pick the text tool. Write your text. I'll scale it up. Change its color. Now place the image here. Adjust the position of the image. Make a duplicate of this image now. Right-click, duplicate. Clip this image layer to the text layer. For that, right-click. Create clipping mask. If we turn off the eye of the copied layer,
you'll see that the below image is clipped with the text layer. Now let's mask this layer. Press Alt and click on this mask button. Take the brush tool. Take white color. Now apply brush to the areas you want to make visible. Let's change the text color. If you move it now, it will all get messed up. So grab these three layers. Press the linked icon to link them. Now if I move it, it will all move together. Before you move forward, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.